Welcome to the Voyage Challenge. Today, we're going on a journey across the seas, the same.
Ready to test their knowledge and courage. Contestants, introduce yourselves.
I am Melchi, the explorer. I will explore my way to victory.
Hi, I'm Julian, the scholar. Like Becca, I'm Raptor Coach. Hi, I'm Charlie, the hungry singer. Did someone say? I saw the Spaniard arriving.
I'm Kyle, the warrior, like the Malamo, I'm 5 feet wide.
I am Ken, the loyal sailor, and discipline will win this battle.
My name is Lori, storyteller, history lives through my word.
How cute!
Alright, let's take a little take a seat. Really? This is the will be the easy, the video, and the easy video are hard. We'll now begin with the easy. Reminder players that this part you will receive 1 point each question. Juniors, are you ready? Alright. Question number 1. Who got fed up?
Italian scholar and the Chronicles of Magellan's Voyage.
Your answer is... The